guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video, you'll see how I made Jamaican brown stew chicken. Now, let's cook. So guys, for our veggies, I have scallion, green pepper, red onion, regular scotch bonnet pepper. I also have some thyme. I also have yellow bell pepper and carrots. And we're moving over to our chicken. Here I have 2 pounds of chicken parts. Now for the season, I have Maggi all-purpose season, and you guys know I use this in every single thing that I do. I absolutely love this season. It's like a complete season. As I've mentioned before, it's not necessary for me to use the added season like this, the Old Bay and the Cajun. I didn't need that. I just like to have a bunch of different season in my meat. So yeah, I just like different flavors of stuff. So yeah, that's why. So I added Old Bay season. Now I'm adding Cajun season. Also with the Cajun season, you didn't need to add the Maggi or even the Old Bay. The Cajun season by itself is perfectly fine. If that's what you guys have, that's what you use, honey. Okay. So now I'm also going in with paprika. I love paprika in everything. I put paprika in everything. Every single thing. I put paprika in every single thing. Okay. I'm also going in with garlic powder. And this is about 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Also onion powder, the same 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Now I'm going in with Grace browning, and this is what's going to give it that brown color that you're looking for. If you don't have browning, you guys can use soy sauce, or you can even caramelize brown sugar and just add it to your meat. So now using a glove, you don't want to mess your hands up or even your nails with the browning. So just go ahead, use a glove, mix all that together until everything is just well combined. Also, you guys can go ahead and marinate that overnight, or you can even do it 2 to 3 hours in advance. And guys, careful when using that browning, because if you add too much, it will be bitter. Your meat will be so bitter. Okay, but I'll be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description below. So now in a skillet on high heat, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of canola oil. You guys can use whatever oil you have, whether it's peanuts, sesame, olive, whatever oil you guys have, it's fine. Now you're gonna allow your skillet to heat, and as you guys can see, I'm actually adding the chicken little at a time because I don't want to add everything at once, because I don't want my veggies to get mushy. So later on in the video, you'll see where I'm adding the veggies. Now I'm just gonna give this a turn because I don't want my chicken to burn. I'm just gonna continue stirring it, then I'm gonna cover it and allow it to spring its own liquid. So okay guys, we have some gravy going on here. You're just gonna give that another quick stir, then I'm gonna add my veggies. So now that we've added our veggies, guys, this is gonna be so flavorful. It's gonna be so good. I forgot to add garlic, but trust me, I had the powder, you know, so it's gonna be all good, but it's gonna be so flavorful. I mean, you can tell, okay? So now I'm just covering that, and I'll allow it to simmer for another 8 minutes. So now this is how it looks after 8 minutes, you know, just bubbling and all these good things. You're just gonna give it a quick stir, and trust me guys, this smells so good. You can definitely smell the browning. It smells really, 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 really nice. Really nice. Yeah, just continue, you know, stirring that up, honey. Continue stirring that up. Then I'm gonna add my ketchup. I'm gonna leave it to simmer down on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Another thing guys is that this is super easy. It's so convenient. This goes with everything, whether it be rice, pasta, mashed potato, veggies, anything at all. Like, it goes with anything, even your regular ground provision. This just goes with everything. So this is always one of my go-to meal, whether it be this or curry chicken. Now guys, look how yummy this looks. So good, so good. So guys, this is the final product. I went ahead and I paired that with rice and peas, lettuce, sliced tomato, avocado. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Also guys, remember to subscribe, comment, share. Okay, I love you guys so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.